investigations, as well as the priority crime specialized investigations. And I've also mentioned in the statement who is the current acting component heads or appointed component heads within that space.
Both have the name in, or as part of the name, investigations. That seems to suggest that they would carry dockets. Why do they have investigations in the name?
Well, although they are intimately involved with investigations, commissioners, they do not carry the dockets. The dockets are being carried by either detectives within the serious organized crime space, serious corruption space, or serious commercial crime space. So they are rendering a support with, for instance, expert evidence that normal organized crime detectives are not capable of performing. So they assist us within that space.
Thank you, General. 6.4.
And then 6.4, Commissioners, it deals with, we also have the Tactical Operations Management section, known as TOMS, which is not technically a component. They report directly to the Divisional Commissioner, and they are headed by Brigadier Mokoena.
Thank you, General. Just a question for clarification. It seems to me that you have serious commercial crime, you have serious corruption investigations, you have serious organized crime. Is there ever an overlap in respect of one particular matter where all three are involved in a crime, for example? And how do you navigate that?
Indeed, Commissioners, the nature of the investigations that we are conducting tends towards overlapping, because organized crime can, for instance, never take place without corruption. So there's always that corruption element, and then in terms of then subsequent money laundering activities, obviously it goes hand in hand with fraud, and that then includes the commercial space. So it is, there's always that overlap. And we address that by means of a multidisciplinary, multidimensional approach where we rope in all the necessary resources to be effective with an investigation.
General, you said something now that organized crime never happens without corruption. Is that your opinion or in your experience? That organized crime, there's always an element of corruption?